Sanchez will reportedly head to United, while Henrikh Mkhitaryan goes in the opposite direction. But how much will the Chilean earn in comparison to his current wage at the Emirates? It seems the Chilean will earn a hefty amount more than his current £275k a week at Arsenal, according to the Telegraph. In fact, United's breathtaking 4.5-year deal to sign Alexis Sanchez is worth around £180 million. BBC journalist Simon Stone gave a complete breakdown of the deal on Radio 5 Live earlier, and the numbers really are quite staggering. Firstly, a £30 million transfer fee will be paid by Manchester United to Arsenal. Alexis will be paid £14 million a year after tax in salary. £27 million before tax. Sanchez also has a signing-on fee of £20 million, as well as a chunky £10 million payment to Alexis Sanchez's agent Fernando Filicevic. All of the above works out at around £180 million. Sanchez was in training with the Arsenal development team yesterday ahead of a move, according to Daily Mail. He arrived at the club's training base at London Colney in the morning. Though completed a session with the kids. Him training alongside the development team suggests a departure is imminent. Thoughts on how much Sanchez would earn at Old Trafford? Let us know in the comments below.